we're going to look at this. This is a liquid damage laptop. HDMI. That. This. We'll put. Alright, so all we need to do with this is pull it apart. See if there was any actual like liquid damage. And go from there. Let the customer know. We just need to check the motherboard if anything's damaged. Like I just worked on one of these recently. So this is an HP 15AC161NR. On the bottom, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 screws. They are generally all the same length, so you can keep them all together. This screw specifically holds in the DVD-ROM, which is right here, and there was only a little bit of liquid damage that sat on there for a second. You pulled the battery. I mean, the customer was incredibly intelligent about it. She realized as soon as it happened what needed to happen, so we're just going to hope that nothing actually shorted. And so all of these guys are the same length. Before I leave today, I will be cleaning up my desk, my whole desk, all the way around. We have an all-in-one keyboard. So, what that means is that if something happened as far as liquid getting into here, it's going to affect the whole keyboard. Now this is not, I'll be very clear about this, this is not a high-end laptop. This is a Intel Pentium laptop. So, all in, like anything needs to be replaced on this, it's replaced. Like the whole laptop, not just the computer. So, you can see we're like basically water there, liquid over here, liquid over here. Let me zoom in a little bit on this. I'm already pretty zoomed in, but let's go a little bit farther. So you can see that like this liquid there, that's rust from liquid. So far I'm not seeing any like obvious signs of liquid damage down here, which is great. Have our keyboard connector. Just gonna undo that. I'm actually going to undo all of the cables going into the motherboard. And what I'm going to do, we're going to remove the motherboard.
Hey, thanks for checking out this video. If you like these videos, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. It really, really helps the channel.
Wi-Fi card connected. Wi-Fi card and Wi-Fi card screw. We have our video LCD. Need to make sure this comes straight back out. All right, so CPU fan looks like it is not connected to the cooler. So we will also disconnect that and use pair of tweezers to do it. Now, screws for the motherboard. 1, 2. Three, 4, and 5. Should be it. Alright. Got a little bit of liquid damage up here in the top left corner, which came through right there as rust. Let's pull it under the microscope, see if we can just clean it off. Because if we can just clean it off, then we are good. Alright, so here's the major point of corrosion that I'm seeing. Let's see if we can't just clean it up. If this just cleans up nicely, then good. So the only thing that's a little bit concerning when you look at this is like this. Hopefully that isn't just electricity flowing from here to here. So looks like some of one of the only places where I'm seeing possible liquid damage. Yeah, that big copper thing is the ground plane, yes. Alright, I think we're gonna be good. Looking at this side. Hopefully that was nothing. Let's hope. Alright. So we don't see any major damage. Let's get everything plugged back in. We'll also clean off this heatsink. This up. So my guess at this point is the only thing that's going to be a problem is going to be the keyboard. If I had to guess one thing that was going to be an actual problem, it's going to be the keyboard. Even a little bit of water can do some not so good things to a keyboard. Tiny boys, so I'm going to use use a little bit smaller screwdriver bit here. That's everything hooked back up. Let's give it some electricity and see if it turns on. We do have a light over there. Press our power button. Got to hook up the power button. The only thing you missed, like if you weren't here, is that PlayStation works without that little capacitor, but we're going to wait to get the little capacitor before we do anything, because I don't want to risk it. Alright, this looks like this is going to work fine. Get this back together. She did the right thing by getting it unplugged, getting the water out of it as quickly as she could. All the way back together. Many people keep bringing me computers that's missing screws, but don't understand. Alright. Well, this looks like it's started up. It's not very fast, is it? Let's load up another operating system here. And check the keyboard. This looks like we're all good. Alright, just give her a call, tell her she's good to go.
Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked that video, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And I stream daily on Twitch at twitch.tv/SpecVengeance. And yeah, if you want to learn more about my services, check out Bradenton PC Repair.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.